Okay, Chapter 13, Section 2, we're looking at financial assets. There's a lot of different places you can put your money, and um, the idea is um, the more risk that's involved, meaning the more likely you're, there is the higher the possibility of losing the money. That's the risk. Okay, so more likely to lose everything or some of it is higher risk. Less likely is lower risk. There is no such thing as an investment that carries zero risk. Okay, so the basic idea is as we take a higher risk, there's an expectation for higher return, and that's people will only invest in something risky if they believe that there's going to be an even higher payoff. And so if you're offering an investment and it's seen as risky, you'll have to offer a higher return. Even treasury bills, which are seen as the safest of these particular investments, these are long-term investments. Putting money in the bank is not really, just letting it sit there is not really a long-term investment. Even U.S. Treasury bills, there is some risk. Okay, just looking at some of the different, we have all these things that are right here, and we're just going to go through each of those, just get a sense of what they are. Um, and CD is one step. I guess it's fairly safe because it's guaranteed by the FDIC, up to about 500,000, 250,000, and the issue with the CD is the money is trapped for a little while. So if you take the money out early before the specified time is up, whether it be a 2 year, 1 year, 10 year, whatever, you have to pay a fee. Okay, so it's one way to make higher interest, but you're locked in. Now, a money market fund, again, it's a little bit higher risk, right? Because it's not insured by the FDIC, so it pays a higher rate. So that's what a money market is. And again, you're still dealing with the bank, so it's a little safer, okay, but it doesn't have that net of the FDIC. Bonds. A bond is a long-term, and again, it's basically you're giving a loan to somebody. So a corporate bond is a way to invest in a company, a way to give them, and it's a guaranteed payout as long as the company has money to pay it. Okay, a municipal bond would be like a state or local government, and an international bond would be to a foreign government. Okay, so when you buy U.S. savings bonds, you're actually investing in the U.S. government, but you can buy bonds for state of California, San Diego County, even the Grossmont Union High School District does bonds. We did Proposition H and U. We sold bonds to pay for all of the renovations at our school. Again, there's multiple ways you can invest in the United States government, and notice the time differences. Okay, again, so treasury bill, treasury note, treasury bond, or a U.S. savings bond, they're just all different ways to borrow money or to loan money to the government. Okay, so our government will pay you back with interest. These are relatively safe loans because they're backed by the full faith and power of the U.S. government, although nothing is ever 100% sure.